When first starting to embrace the notion of generative AI as an educator, many might be tempted to look at the generative AI as a time saver in order to create work for the learners to do. So, for instance, oh, wow, there are certain tools that have a button that just say, create a worksheet on this topic. You can write the prompt and it'll create a worksheet. Here's the thing. No kid jumps out of bed in the morning going, I can't wait to go to school to learn how to do my worksheets today. Don't use the generative AI to create experiences for students that they will hate. Another example here is quizzes. Ooh, I could use the generative AI. I can give it content and say, give me 10 quiz questions. In the world that the learners are heading, do they really need to take quizzes and tests? When's the last time we've taken a quiz or a test as an adult, right? What we're evaluated on is the work that we do and the work that we put in our collaborative effort with teams. So what if we invited learners to create work, solve problems, solve authentic problems in teams or individually, create content while doing that, and then invite the generative AI to help analyze their work, to give them feedback, to help us give them feedback as educators, to help them solve problems, help us solve problems, help us do awesome stuff that is meaningful to the individual who is participating in the experience so that they love being there, that they love doing it. Using it to create quizzes or using it to create worksheets doesn't spark that zest for learning. We want them to feel empowered that they can use technology to support their own learning and use technology to solve problems and use technology to work with others and collaborate with others and communicate with others. So fight the temptation to use generative AI to create boring, mundane tasks that students already hate to do, and use the generative AI to think about how you can replace those boring, mundane tasks with something awesome that they want to do that makes them want to be there and engage in that experience.